Turning 60 with $3 million or more in assets is an incredible achievement. It puts you in a strong financial position, but it also signals a critical transition. This is the phase where your wealth funds your lifestyle, supports your loved ones, and shapes your legacy. Proper retirement planning ensures your assets work for you, helping you live out your dreams while safeguarding your financial future. The first step in retirement planning is deciding how you want to live. It may sound simple, but it's one of the most important and challenging questions to answer. What kind of lifestyle do you envision? Are you planning to travel, split time between homes, or settle in one place? Your desired lifestyle will shape how much you need for discretionary spending and long-term savings. Healthcare is another major consideration. Medicare covers some expenses, but out-of-pocket costs, especially for long-term care, can add up quickly. Planning for these expenses now ensures they don't derail your savings later on. And finally, what legacy do you want to leave? Whether it's providing for your heirs or supporting charitable causes, legacy planning might involve setting up trusts, using tax-efficient strategies, or even life insurance policies to minimize estate taxes. Tax planning is critical in retirement. Mismanaging your tax brackets can lead to unnecessary liabilities, reducing the wealth you've worked so hard to build. Consider strategies like Roth conversions. By converting a traditional IRA into a Roth IRA, you can spread out your tax liability and potentially reduce the impact of required minimum distributions later on. The order in which you withdraw from your accounts matters, but isn't one size fits all. A common approach is to start with taxable accounts, then move to tax-deferred accounts like IRAs, and save Roth accounts for later. This often minimizes taxable income early in retirement, but in some cases, blending withdrawals from different account types may better balance taxes across your retirement years. Once you turn 73, required minimum distributions, or RMDs, from tax-deferred accounts are fully taxable. Through Roth conversions or strategic withdrawals, you can mitigate their impact. High income can lead to surcharges on Medicare premiums through IRMAA, or the Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. Managing your income to stay below these thresholds can help avoid unnecessary costs. Tax planning is highly personal, so it's helpful to evaluate strategies tailored to your situation using tools like tax projections to map out the impact over time. Protecting your wealth is just as important as growing it. Here's how to safeguard your assets. Balancing growth with protection is key. While equities can offer growth, consider shifting towards safer assets like bonds, annuities, or other income-generating investments as you age. For example, a portfolio with 60% stocks and 40% bonds at age 60 might shift to a 40% stocks and 60% bonds by age 70 to reduce your risk. Long-term care insurance can cover costs not paid by Medicare, while umbrella policies provide liability protection for lawsuits and unexpected events. Trusts can shield assets from estate taxes and creditors while ensuring they're distributed according to your wishes. Life insurance, such as second-to-die policies, can also provide liquidity to cover estate taxes, ensuring more of your wealth goes to your heirs. Review your portfolio, insurance policies, and estate plans regularly to ensure they align with your goals and provide adequate protection. Retirement is about more than just managing money. It's about creating a life that reflects your values, brings you joy, and gives you peace of mind. Take time to define your goals, plan for the expected and unexpected, and make choices that align with the life you want to live. Whether it's traveling, supporting your family, or creating a lasting legacy, thoughtful planning ensures your wealth supports your vision for the future. With careful decisions and a proactive approach, you can enjoy the fruits of your hard work while building a lasting legacy for those you care about most.